ॲक्टिव्हिस्टान अमित शहाच्या एअरपोर्टावेल्या पब्लिक मिटिंगेचे प्रकरण हायकोर्टान व्हेले. बीजेपीचो अध्यक्ष अमित शहान एअरपोर्टाचेर घेतिल्ल्या सभेचे हायकोर्टान एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीक वडीर काढली. 1 जुलयाक सभा जाल्ली. ऑथॉरिटी एफिडेविटान म्हणटा सभा खंय अकस्मात जाल्ली. तांकां मिटिंगेची कल्पना नाशिल्ल्यान अमित शहाची सभा आडोवंक जमली ना. बीजेपीचे हे सभेचेर विचारल्यार अकस्मात थेरी सांगता. विमानतळाचेर बॅनर, खुर्च्यो, स्टेज, साऊंड सिस्टम घालून जाल्ली ही अमित शहाची सभा खंय अकस्मात जाली आनी लोकूय उत्स्फूर्त आयलो. कोर्टाक हो आर्ग्युमेंट तितलोसो मानवल्लो ना. हायकोर्टान सुनावणेचेर निरीक्षण नोंद केला ते अशें. सभेक पोडियम, साऊंड सिस्टम आनी बाकीची यंत्रणा हाडिल्ल्यान ती अकस्मात म्हणपाक शकना. आपल्या पुताच्या बर्थडेची पार्टी दाबोळी विमानतळाचेर करूंक दितले काय न्यायाधीशाचो एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडियाक प्रस्न. अमित शहाच्या मीटिंग प्रकरणाचेर हायकोर्ट सोमार मेरेन निकाल दिवंक शकता.
In fact, the court today questioned the Airport Authority of India whether Amit Shah was above the law and as to why this special treatment in violation of the law was given to Amit Shah. The court has made it very clear that such an incident should never ever repeat again. The court was in no mood to accept the justification of the Airport Authority of India that the function on the 1st of July when Amit Shah arrived at the airport was a spontaneous function. In fact, the court questioned the Airport Authority of India if the function was a spontaneous function, how was that there were sofas, a sound system, a red carpet and a podium installed at the airport. In fact, the court also questioned the Airport Authority of India whether such a permission was ever given to anybody else in the past. In fact, Justice Patel asked the counsel for the Airport Authority of India whether he would be allowed to host his son's birthday at the airport. So the court really for several minutes wrapped the Airport Authority of India and made it very clear that the court was not at all happy with the manner in which the authorities have allowed this violation of law.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.